Hi, my name is Kate Berry from the University of Texas at Austin, and welcome to this video where I talk about the counting up strategies for addition and subtraction to help build students' fluency. We use the counting up strategies within our multi-step word problem intervention with total, difference, change, and equal group schemas. In our multi-step word problem intervention with total, difference, change, and equal group schemas, we have 5 different intervention components: captain cards, equation quest, buccaneer problems, ship shape sorting, and our Jolly Roger review. Students use the counting up strategy during the captain cards, buccaneer problems, and our Jolly Roger review. So Kate, what is this counting up strategy? We know that fluency is really important for students to be successful mathematicians. Fluency builds student confidence, it makes every part of math easier, and it takes stress off of students' working memory so they can focus on the comprehension piece and not get so bogged down in adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing. Specifically, when students are struggling with addition and subtraction, we introduce them to the Counting Up Addition and Counting Up Subtraction poster. So the Counting Up Addition poster has 3 steps. It says, number 1, put the greater number in your fist and say it. Count up the number that's less on your fingers, and the sum is the last number you say. Notice I'm saying words like greater, less, and sum because we always want to be using formal math language with our students. The Counting Up Subtraction poster says, put the minus number in your fist and say it. Count up the fingers to the number you start with, and the difference is the number of fingers you have up. Again, I use words like difference and minus because we want to use formal math language. So let's take a look at each of those in more detail. So here for counting up addition, if we had the number sentence 2 plus 5, it would look like this. I'm going to put the greater number in my fist and say it. The greater number is 5. 5. I'm going to count up the number that's less, which is 2 on my fingers. 5, 6, 7. The sum is the last number you say. So the last number I said was 7. So if we were going to do this all together fluently with no breaks, it would look like this. 5, 6, 7. My sum is 7. Now, here's another example, and we'll do this one all together. So 7 plus 4, we'll do all 3 steps together. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The last number I said was 11, so 11 is my sum. So here I put the greater number 7 in my fist and say it. I count up the number that's less, 4, and then the sum is the last number I say. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My sum is 11. Same thing for counting up subtraction. We put the minus number in our fist and say it, and we teach students that the minus number is a number directly after the minus sign. So here our minus number is 4, and then we're going to count up the fingers to the number we start with. Well, the number we start with is 10, and then the difference is the number of fingers we have up. So here we will say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 6 fingers up, so my difference is 6. So all together it would look like this. I'm going to put my clicker down so I can use both hands. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My difference is 6. Let's look at one more example. 9 minus 8. Put my minus number in my fist. I know the minus number is right after the minus sign, so I'm going to put 8 in my fist. Count my fingers up to the number I start with, which is 9, and the difference will be the number of fingers I have up. So it looks like this. 8, 9. 1 is my difference because I have 1 finger up. Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to view this video where we discuss the counting up addition and subtraction strategies, which help students build fluency with addition and subtraction as they work through our multi-step word problem intervention. I'd like to take a moment to thank the Institute of Education Sciences, the University of Texas at Austin, and the Meadows Center for Preventing Educational Risk. Without their support, this work would not be possible.